Ngelela futhi babukeli emakhaya lapho sikhona extension 12 eWitbank eMalahleni kulo laphana iward number 29. Niyazi la sikhona ngaso sonke isikhathi sihlezi sithinta ama-issues athinta umphakathi, ama-issues amnandi nabuhlungu isiphatha sihlezi sikhona. Namhlanje sihamba ne-guest yethu lana umnumzana abaningi bayamazi la Witbank, abaningi bayamazi throughout the country, yonke indawo yaziwa ngobuhlakani bakhe nesibindi anaso ngokuthanda futhi nomphakathi wangakubo. Sawubona mnumzana.
Mfowethu.
Kunjani butwana?
Siyaphila
Shabu man, siyabonga man. Siyisiphatha sithishe nawe namhlanje.
Yeah.
Man, sifuna ukuxoxisana nawe bhuti wami, yabona.
Yeah.
Yeah, nawe kodwa ungawabulisa ababukeli ubatshela ukuthi ubani indaba mhlambe ube nesiphatha namhlanje then sithathe from lapho bhuti wami.
Alright, hayi ngibongela ama-viewers ekhaya lo mela uSibusiso waziwa ngekala Smere. Sibonga amasina.
Yes.
Inkokheli leader abantu abasha empumelelweni. Yeah. Mfowethu sila kuSpartan ukukhuluma ngama-issues revolve towards abantu abasha.
Yes.
Yeah, not especially 29 kuphela but throughout the country, the issues bhekana nazo nabantu abasha. So
yes,
I think into engilethe ngaba khona la ukuthi sike nathi silethe i-view different in terms of abantu abasha, because the struggles abantu abasha into esi-experience each and every day mfowethu.
Yes. No, ngiyakuzwa Mr. Smere. Tshela mina bhuti wami nawabukela emakhaya ukuthi wena kahle yini into ekwenza ukuthi ukuthande ukusebenza ngabantu abasha okanye umphakathi? Yini logqozi olungaka like lisukaphi livelaphi?
Lento icale kudala bongs. I think sicale before sifika ka-ANC.
Yes.
Youth League, yabona. I think sicale ku-PAC, Pan African Congress.
Yes.
Yeah, sicala lapha kuPoco, and then we had ama-Grootman asikhulisile, yabona.
Yes.
Yeah, Grootman abalala boJapar, ama-Grootman asikhulisile. Asiletha la emzabalazweni. Then we become passionate about izinto ezithinta the community, because I think sifike isa-developer le kasi empumelelweni masicala sijoyina umzabalazo, yabona.
Yes.
Yeah, and then from there we see a need man ukuthi actually we must go see ka-ANC, because lapha kuPoco besinganawo lento leyo ukuthi singabantu abasha we can have that platform.
Yes.
Yokuthi nathi singaletha a different view, yabona. But then we went to an ANC, and ANC besino comrade uBongani Nkosi.
Yes.
Yeah, sahabula along the way lapha, and then along the way safunda izinto ezibhaya, one because of we see ukuthi kunama-Grootman akhona towards the struggle, and ama-Grootman lawo are the one who are in center in dividing or divide actually.
Yes.
Labantu abasha. So we said no, let's have a big bone and challenge issues abantu abasha, because into esenza ukuthi sibe passionate ngabantu abasha sine current and a future.
Yes.
Generation. Yeah, understand?
Yes.
And then sayibhekela ngale wena bonke, because izinto ngichaza ukuthi izinto eziningi esithi siyazikhuluma singabantu abasha azenzeki.
Yes.
Yeah, understand? Yes. It needs ukuthi fight before izinto zenzeka. And at the same time we have a community yethu, yabona, esidinga ukuyibona idevelopile, yabona. So sibe se-29 silwela izinto eziningi especially ezingenzeki ebantwini abasha. Uyibona le kasi lingaka so linamahholo, yabona. Kasi lingaka so lina one esikole which is Demba, nakhona overpopulated. Nekasi lingaka alina park, yabona. Ama-activities actually revolve young people. Even today we're still fighting that thing with a 29 less base zenziziswephi kahle yabona. So up until today kugcwele la kunalezi base akumele khona kube nale infrastructure le develop abantu abasha.
Yes.
Yeah, understand? But ama-Grootman ayenzeni who are leading athatha lezo space abantu abasha bagcwalisa isidani bazithengisa. Up until today asinanto yokudlala, abantwana bagcwala estradini. The only exposure abanayo ba-exposed to ama-drugs, teenage pregnancy. Yabona, akunama activities abantwana badlala estradini. Yeah, understand? Bayalahleka futhi at the same time akunama safe park, like la abantwana babuya esikolweni bahambe baya lapha into entertain abantwana yabona. Yabona. So that's why sathi no, because in a community singabantu abasha kahle silabantu layo that must ukuthi balandele kuphela, we must not lead
Yes.
actually yabona. So we
Yes.
said no, nathi sinayo the capacity as young people, we must be given that exposure
Yes.
yabona, with our view at the same time, and our view must be respected yabona.
Yes.
So that's why we become passionate and to see a development eyenzakalayo eGhana, because majority of us la kule community,
Yes.
it's us young people.
Yes.
You find out endlini kunomagogo, kunomdala, mara kunobani nabosister nabobrakit bancane yabona. It's us who are dominating, but then do we have an exposure la khona ukuthi sikhona go-explore ama-talent bethu. Today we're having a podcast.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
But you won't find ama-growth man kuyiwo aphushayo and invest especially to young people yabona.
Amagama
Yeah,
lawo.
one
Yes.
and
Yes.
today
Yes.
sinabo hundreds, but
Yes.
it's good ekhaya siyayibona leyo development, and we're happy to see that there's a real involvement of abantu abasha. And when you check abantu abasha bayazilwela bona. Yeah, understand? Ukuthi
Yes.
babe lapho kuleso space.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
understand?
yes,
So
no.
anything esiyenzayo singabantu abasha, we always have abantu abadala that divides us, but we're passionate ukuthi sibone community yethu kusasa.
Yes.
Inama-leader that are recognized, that are young, you understand?
Yes.
Energetic,
Yes.
you understand? Those who will go and touch issues, because there are sensitive issues ayenzakalayo to us young people, yabona. But then because of we are the voice of the voiceless, yeah, understand? But sometimes ngomuntu uyi-voice of the voiceless, uphinde futhi usuppress wena okhulumela abantu abasha. So like it's a struggle ukuba umuntu omusha wena bonke. But
Yes.
then I think that's why we're passionate ukuthi we must ukuthi sisilo lesa struggle so that sikhona ukuletha a better life, understand, for young people.
Ekugcineni futhi kugcina kungabe khona i-trust between i-community nama-leaders wayo. Yeah,
that's
so
true.
ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona ama-strategies enosebenzisayo. Imaphi lawo owasebenzisayo njengawo Comrades Mary ukuthi i-community iphinde i-trust nisebenzisane, kungabi khona ukuthi ubani uzokwenzani. Yini mhlawumbe i-strategy eninazo to overcome inkinga ezinjengaleyo?
One, I think we must ukuthi sibe loyal to the cause, not to a certain person or a certain individual.
Yes.
One, we must be loyal to the cause, and one, we must emphasize service delivery, because the community yethu ukuze ikhona ukustrust, we must ukuthi always sibe at the step from them actually, because you see community yethu istruggle ngale ndlela le ukuthi it has lose trust, hope, and belief, understand, towards leaders because of the way ama-leaders aziconducta ngakhona. When you find out kunama-projects lapho, and then the community doesn't benefit to projects, understand. You find out ukuthi there's a development eyenzakalayo lapha, and then the development eyenzakalayo is that development assisting the community now. Understand? Then we become the ones who try to bring light to say izinto must ukuthi zibe ne-direction le yokuthi it must assist our community. Understand? So into esiyenzayo ukuba seduze ne-community is ukuthi always lezikhali ezenzakalayo la ku-community sibe close nazo, and try esinabantu abasha though singanama-resource yabona, because sifuna ukuba intact to the community esikiyo, you understand. But then into esizamayo ukuthi asibe close nayo i-community and si-assiste la sikhona khona uku-assista with the views nathi esinawo yabona. So that's why sifuna ukusithola siduzane ne-community yabona.
Yes, Comrades Mary, njenge-leader yawo abantu abasha bhuti omkhulu, obviously kukhona izinto inkulumo ezivelayo ngawe ngiyangithola ezike zavela. Mina ngifuna ukwazi manje nesiphatha nomphakathi at large ukuthi wena your biggest misconception abantu abake babanayo ngawe yiphi? Clarify nje usho ukuthi hayi ne understand bhuti wami. Because manje abantu bakwazi ngelinye side now babonise namhlanje ukuthi ubani wena and why, you understand bhuti omkhulu.
Ngiyakubamba lapho bonke. No,
Yes.
the difference ukuthi umuntu ma from distance nomuntu oclose angeke ukuthi bayafana nabonke, because mangile uzothile mfana lo rude. Because into esenza ukuthi sibe rude wena bonke, mina I'm that leader ukuthi I'm not scared ukukhuluma i-view yami or ingqondo yami yabona.
Yes.
So into sometimes abanye bayasaba bona bongizokukhuluma into yabona. So mina ngilo muntu lo ukuthi into yami ngishaya straight to the core
Yes.
yabona. Wrong. Yeah, understand. And angeke simbalekele whether ukuthi u-president or ubani we must ukuthi sikutshele. So lento le iyenza ukuthi some babone ngathi we are these young people about disrespect the old people yabona, because majority of people esihlezi sidifara nabo basibona la emphakathini masenza lezi zinto esizenza la emphakathini. It's always the old people yabona, and always thina we must fight to be on that space yabona, and nokuthi sizwiwe yabona ukuthi enhle kusithini yabona. So I think if ever abantu banale misconception ukuthi from distance abantu but more like those uzwa the view ukuthi silwela yini yabona, because the only thing that silwela it's a betterment of young people actually, and the community at large. But young people are part of the community.
That's very true. That's
So
very true.
yeah, so manga thing ngiyibeka nje in a nutshell ukuthi the difference is umuntu mangasekudeni umuntu oseduzane nawo, but thina we are that people ukuthi asaba ukukhuluma man. We voice out our views, then we'll account later.
No,
because as young people we must do mistakes. We must allow ourselves as young people to do mistakes, so that we
yes.
grow to that mistake. And the old people abakwazi ukusipusha one and masibona ngathi ngabantu come close, young man ukhalelani, why uwenza so yabona, why usaddressa ngalendlela le yabona. Then uzokhona ukuthola lapho ukuthi okay man, there's 1 2 3 eyenzakalayo to that young leader one. Uzokunderstand better mase, but from distance and there's a reason why kumele ulo, because ngeke umane uhambe ulwa and insult everyone umtholayo, but at least khulumela phezulu kwento ukuthi this thing oyikhulumela it will assist young people, even the ones that are coming.
No kuyazwakala Mr. Smith. Manje angazi bhuti wami this one piece of advice onayo for young people nama viewers ababukeli bethu emakhaya mhlambe or nomuntu ofuna ukuthi ajoine kwawena abe involved kuma community leadership, like uthanda ungathini mhlambe abantwana abanjengalabo?
One, I will say ebantwini abasha ukuthi the struggle sabantu abasha it's something raw, it's real.
Yes.
And the reality it is sinabantu abasha sinafokola. That's the reality. It has not next the reality there. And as young people, I think more check imisebenzi asinayo yabona. How do we motivate a young person ukuthi hambe esikolweni bongs while kunezigebengu ezingayanga esikolweni ezinemali eziphumelele lifeini ezisharp ngokutshontsha imali ye-state or nge-crime zikrime? How do you motivate a young person to say hambe esikolweni? Sinabantu abasha abahambile who went to school bongs today. Labantu abasha sihlangile nabo la, babuya ema-university, babuya ema-TVET, babuya ema-college, sihleli nabo today. It's difficult ukuthi ungamotivate umuntu omusha, but is to say to young people imisebenzi ayikho yabona, asisebenziseni izandla zethu yabona esinayo, because umsebenzi okhona manje wezandla mo-check i-economy yethu, GDP yethu iyaluphakama yabona. So we understand lento le. So masinabantu abasha esinabo current mawubufuna uba-motivate sithe une-100 upush 100 ngakho, let's support you.
People don't support.
Yeah, understand? Let's support you.
Yes,
understand? Let's have a backbone actually.
Yes.
And to have a backbone to something esivuka ekuseni izokukhuthaza ukuthi hambe uyenzani yabona, because of sponsor kumele usithande, kumele usihloniphe futhi at the same time. Makube ngilapha khona ngiwasha amateki, angibe nalogcozi ekuseni, ngibe nepassion yayo lento le. Ngivuke ekuseni, ngivaye ngiwasha amateki, makube ne-car wash ngizibhingezele lapha, makube ngiyathunga, you understand lento le. Because you go to abo NYDA, you don't find assistant. You go to the municipality, it's difficult to go to the assistant. Yabona labantu aba-assistekayo lapha bo NYDA abantu ukuthi maybe mina ngi-close nomfowethu, then I will find assistant lapha, you understand? Ukuthi mina ngoba kahle sekuye ukuthi wena ubani. So but angazi ukuthi ngathi ngimotivate kanjani umuntu omusha, but I will say kumuntu omusha ukuthi abana the talent uNkulunkulu akunikeza, I think asisebenzeleni phezulu kwalo, because sikelile but asinomsebenzi, asinama opportunities.
Unemployment rate now is very very high Mr. Smith. Yabona lapho uthi into futhi elinye point, kodwa manje ubani abazosebenza mangabe i-youth empoweriwe na?
Mfowethu,
yes, kuthiwa kumele start-ke ama-businesses wethu, but do we get support from local well established business men, understand? Akwenzeki lokho.
it's very difficult wena bonke mawuchecka even the township economy
Yes.
yabona
Yes.
kunzima ukuthi ngavula i-fast food ngumuntu omusha yabona
Yes.
okay let's say ideas are there
Yes.
yabona
Yes.
but asina capital asina resource
Another source, yes.
ngifuna ukwenza i-fast food lapho ubani uyongisupporta lapho because mawujika so they are foreigners bazothi sizinovophile yabona kunama-foreigners lapha benza i-fast food lapho mawuthi uyajika ngapha bayenza izitina like the market ye-township
Yes.
thina sina-access kiyo you understand then the only exposure sinayo that's why ngitshela ukuthi sihlala ekasi elinganazo lezi zinto ukuthi manje singaya lapha e-youth center lapha yabona sikhona because sometimes ne-information yabona
Yes,
it's
yes.
something else so like i-struggle sethu si-broad wena bonke kakhulu like struggle sethu si-broad kakhulu kunzima ukuthola i-assistant bro wami tshela ukuthi si-attendile kwathina lapha singama-victim e-NYDA
Yes.
u-attende lapho u-attende ekugcineni leya funding oyifunayo ungayitholi kunzima mfethu like kunzima yabona
Yeah, no,
kunzima kakhulu
kodwa sathemba bafuthi njengoba manje sikhona siphethe ama-leader afana nawo manje i-future ye-community yethu iyakhanya because ngiyathemba ukuthi nabo laba abasuppressa abaholi babantu abasha bakhona ukubona bazokhona ukubona manje ukuthi siphatha sikhona and abantu abasha manje abadlali ba-up in arms bafuna okungokwabo uyibona kanjani bhuti wami?
I think ngangayichaza bonke before ngizofika la
Yes.
ngathi the initiative that you have taken it's a good initiative it's a
Yes.
platform on its own
Thank you very
whereby
much.
we're able to sit and share our views wethu ukuthi actually this and this and this that and that yabona
Yes,
sibonisana
yes, yes.
ukuthi actually singaphuma njani ukuzithola kusasa siphakamisela lekasi and sibhetha kwathina yeah understand so engakusho wena bongs yona ukuthi one kunzima ukuthi singabantu abasha basirecognize labantu abadala
Yes.
because they feel ukuthi they are entitled to lama positions abahleli kiyo instead they are trying to divide us today mawuzongibona nginawe la kusasa it's a different thing kusasa yabona kusasa mawuthi
Yeah.
uyavele ubonse yakuqumbele yabona
Yes,
I've been divided
yes.
by these old
Which is
people,
wrong,
yabona?
yeah, it's very wrong.
And we're having abantu abasha la empumelelweni who are having capacity to lead yabona but we're not a capacity to lead we are a threat to all people we must be suffocated yeah you must be suffocated kumele ubeke lapha kulela khona lela
Yeah,
and angeke uze uphefumule yabona mabakubekele lapha kulela khona because they will come and influence untanga ukuthi ekuseni man usmer uyabheda nga 1 2 3 4 5 yabona
Yes,
nontanga
yes.
ngayicheck
Yes.
yabona untanga naye ezwe lento abamtshele yona and bamnikeza ithemba ukuthi eyothina uma usondela kisenza into so
Yes.
uyabona uzoba so yabona bamgayela uma-fall so sasa mawuthi uyavela untanga naye seyakujikela you understand and mawuthi uyachecka the center okhona lapho center lo muntu wenza lezi zinto is the old man you understand who try by all means ukudivide abantu abasha because once abantu abasha bahlangene bonke
Yes.
baba into eyi-one and bane-ideology abafuna ukuyiseva and
Yes.
bafuna ukuyibona i-conqueror that ideology you can't stop them
Angeke
people
ubastophe.
so they are a threat kulabantu abadala
Oh.
yabona because angeke ukhona ukuvuka mawuthi uyavuka uya-insuppress yabona and ubonakala ngathi uzenza better mawukhuluma nanani
Yes,
yabona
no.
and spet matter yibo futhi labantu abadala so like I will say mina njengangishilo before it's a struggle esinye esilulile but engakusho to ama-viewers
Yes.
and nabantu abasha ukuthi young people were capacitated it's a matter of time that we become one and sibe united and sibe loyal to the cause
Yes.
and
Yes.
find tomorrow a young leader yabona ozothi uma uzokhona ukukhuluma naye akhona uku-understanda
Yes.
in a point of being young
Yes.
yeah, understand
Yes.
sikhona
Yes. That's very
uku-understanda
true. Yes.
and sikhona uku-upliftana with the talents akhona kasi today sinezintwana ezile bomabhakaniya like us si-rich sina-2 ezintwana e-1 ile kubhakaniya e-1 ile ku-Durban City
Ngoba noTawu kubhakaniya, ngeke ngezwa something like that, yes.
Usizo Tawu yabona
Yes,
yeah
yes,
yabona
yes.
one of our own you understand
Yes, yes,
is there
yes.
representing us you understand but you find out mawuthi ukhuluma nazo lezi ntwana from la ezikhona khona banama-challenges yabona
Yes.
and they don't find that hegemony ukuthi bathole support you understand so at least masinama-leader who understand abantu abasha ukuthi sinabantu abasha especially ngitshela ukuthi umsebenzi nje ungekho so the talent elikhona you understand the talent elikhona is the one that must be invested to.
Exactly.
You understand so that kusasa sibe nabanye who go phezulu bakhona ukusirepresenta siyikasi and sibone futhi ukuthi abantu abasha bayakhona ukuthi babe nale upliftment ukuthi siyakhula singabantu abasha because kunzima mfowethu like kunzima imisebenzi ayisayekho abantu so if ever sinama-leader who will think about the talent labantu abasha.
Yes.
Yeah, because sometimes abanye they are not given encwadini abantu abasha some they are given i-talent ukuthi i-talent ngenzeka i-talent lo sindisa umndeni. Yeah, understand ngenzeka ngifunde sihlale so singanamsebenzi siyabuya siyahlangahlangana sigcineni siyabhema lapha emakhoneni. You understand into esiyenzayo and kusasa labantu abadala mabasidlula because basi-useless.
Any problem leyo uzofunctiona kanjani?
Awuna-assistant. Yabona, so if ever we have leaders who are young who understand that sport but the flex mind goes with the flex board. Yabona, so if ever abantu abasha bakhona they are supported, it's not ukuthi kumele uwathathe wena kahle wena bongs ukuthi bathathe bakuku bamixele. No, labantu abasha laba as much as we initiative ukuthi mina ngiqale 100%. Yabona sayiphusha lento le then the support oyitholayo is the one ekukhulisayo. Yeah, understand it's enough mfowethu yabona for ama leaders party angeke ngihambe ngisuke eGrootman leli lapha elinga-understand ukuthi yini podcast. uzothi yini podcast because back there bebangekho labantu. It's a crisis. That's why ngithi mina wena bongs masisaxoxa before I was saying to you as-check e-country sithathe freedom in 94. Yabona sibe a democratic country. But let's check the parliament today from 94. Have you seen young people in parliament? Uba no try for the mandate of young people. You will find but low who you push mandate abantu abasha and umntomdala. We understand njani lento abantu. So it's a struggle serious when abongs serious but I wish ukuthi one day as young people will stand together and sibe nomuntu omusha that will lead us and bring that hope to young people. Mafisibethu bakuma-teenage pregnancy abanye probably badla ama-drugs abanye they've lost hope because of akunanto eyenzakalayo abanye bashonile mfowethu and siyabulalana crime iphakeme ingaka so yabona.
Hayi le well babukele emakhaya nani niyasibonela nizizwele siphethe leader-ke la i-leader yamampela bafethu sicela ukuthi mangabe mhlambe khona abantu abanjengalaba endaweni yangakini sicela support umuntu omusha phakama isikhathi senu-ke leso ukuthi nilambe okungokwenu akuliwa kodwa nganje le right. Mr. Smere
mfowethu
sibonge kakhulu uba nawo mfowethu.
Sibonga mina
siwona lesiphathana Mr. Ngikwathi hey comrade lana sigcineni 100
ingadlangala.
Dem salute bafowethu.
Salute 100 spatha
Shapa mfowethu.
Thank you mfowethu.
Thank you Thomas Sibongile fuza manje. 9
emfundiseni okunye.
Hey mfowethu.